Are you a supervisor worried about routine jobs like housekeeping, inspection and maintenance, or a guest service manager striving for service improvements and guest satisfaction? Do you want to monitor minibar usage and track lost and found items? Introducing Surfsonix HOMS, an all-in-one cloud-based hotel operation management system which smartly handles all your operational needs. Whether it is engineering, housekeeping, room inspection, monitoring minibars, creating and managing guests' requests, or tracking lost and found items, your hotel operations are simplified now more than ever. With Surfsonix Hotel Operation Management System, all of your hotel staffs will know about the guest preferences even before they actually check in. Different modules of Surfsonix HOMS. Surfsonix Hotel Operation Management System has several smart modules which make the application user and business friendly. Engineering module. The engineering module is a smart application that automates, schedules and monitors all preventive maintenance activities. The app organizes all engineering responsibilities, thus ensuring guest satisfaction, minimal malfunction or accidents, and maximum equipment lifetime. Attendants or technicians can create maintenance assignments and job orders by merely clicking a photo and selecting a specific reason on the interface screen. Housekeeping module. Being a supervisor is tough. Maintaining daily operations with so many rooms and multiple attendants is indeed challenging. Our housekeeping module makes the supervisor's tasks easy. No more cluttered desktops and fiddling with pesky property management system. Using advanced technology, supervisors can forecast and schedule housekeeping and technician assignments. Floor supervisors do not have to run around anymore. They receive an alert when a room is ready for the inspection. If there is a crisis call from the front desk, they can prioritize or reassign the room quickly with a single click. Guest request and service module. When the guest requests for something, the hotel should respond immediately. Every job has an acceptable time frame. Manual tasks create delay, and sometimes it can be a costly mistake. It can negatively impact your satisfaction ratings. The upset guests can tell the world about it on the social media. The guest request engine has a time associated with each job. Delays are monitored. Whenever a request is made, it gets assigned to the right person. It is tracked and reported so that mishaps can be averted. So, when a guest calls, any of the staffs can take the order and notify the concerned person. If a task is not done within the specified time frame, then Guest Request Engine will escalate the matter to the supervisor for subsequent action. If there is a service breakdown, then all the managers are alerted and the right manager meets the guest to offer compensation. With the power of Surfsonix HOMS, keep track of your guests' requests and reward them with a delightful stay. Minibar module. The minibar module empowers the attendant to instantly define the consumed minibar items of the room and route the information to the relevant departments. The room or minibar attendant can update the data and post them using the Surfsonix app. With Minibar module, there are no more confusions and unhappy guests during checkout. Lost and Found module. The Lost and Found engine allows the staff to report the lost and found items instantly. They just take a picture and submit it through the app. Detailed reports are available about the status of each lost and found item. Management. Our cloud-based portal allows your branches across the globe to be managed efficiently and in real time. You get a bird's eye view of your venues and a measure of your global performance. The portal allows varying levels of access to you as an administrator. It also enables personnel at each place to log in and manage their location independently. Best of all, it requires no downloads, no installations, and no servers. All you need is an internet connection. Powered by the latest cloud technology, your hotel is live around the clock and the data is always safe in our secure servers. Say hello to Surfsonix Hotel Operation Management System.